the first appointment I had with you, you shared something with me. You said, "Are you a healer?" That's what you
Okay, I've
asked.
probably forgotten.
Do you remember that?
I think I do remember, but sometimes I forget because there's so many clients.
Oh, you have so many people. I don't expect you to remember
Yeah.
that. And I go, well, I don't know. But in my own way, I guess I am. And then when I was with my uh, uh, um, masseuse, my massage therapist, she also is quite spiritual, and she asked me the same thing. So there's alignment there, right? So I
Exactly.
just gotta find, in my own way, I'm sure I'm a healer in some sort. I don't know the way I connect with people. I don't know, but
Okay,
that
so I'm gonna help
that
you
made
there.
me
If you
feel
don't, do
really
you mind
great.
if I can help you there? Can I help you right there?
Sure,
Yeah, okay. So can you like do you feel you resonate with that energy?
I do. I do.
Okay.
I do feel like but I don't. I don't. I'm not owning it. I guess I don't know.
Yes, yes.
I'm
That's
not
what we're gonna put.
allowing it. Maybe I'm afraid. I don't know. I think there's a
Okay.
lot of things going on. So,
Okay. So we're gonna, are you ready to own it right now?
sure.
Okay. Close your eyes
Okay.
and just feel. So the resistance you feel, those are conditioning from past. I don't know if there's, I'm just gonna say what's coming and you just take it. Don't answer right now, okay? So your past has been conditioned. You're remembering who you are. The healer inside of you wants to come out and share more and give more and serve more and help so many people. Woo! I'm getting chills. Okay, so it wants to help so many people. What are you blocking? What is stopping you? Nothing is stopping you. You are stopping yourself. Let this come out and you are ready right now. You are ready and you are ready. Let this really sink into your body. Source has chosen you for a reason. This is not anymore about you. This is not about you. You have to stand up and do your duty, whatever you're designed to do. It's not about you anymore. Are you ready to give back and serve more? Oh my goodness. Whew. Just breathe through the process. Let it, like, if you need to cry, don't resist it. I can
I
feel
am
it.
resisting it.
Yeah, don't cry.
How did you
Don't
know?
resist it.
I have a lot of emotions coming up.
Yeah, let it come. I feel like you want to cry. Just take that. Be very grateful of what you have and what source has given you, because this is your role to be of who you are. Don't use your head. Don't analyze it. How you're going to heal people, how you're going to help people. Just let it embody in your body. Embody. Let it's not, it's already embodied. Just remember it. The answers will be revealed to you how you're going to be serving these people. It doesn't mean you are going to serve the way most people do. You have your own way of serving. Don't look for answers from outside, look for answers from within. You have your unique way of doing it. There's a signature inside of you that wants to serve, like the unique healing signature. You know it. You know what that is.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Integrate that. Hold it, hold on to it. Not from fear, from trusting and knowing who you are. Thank you. Thank you.